patient. So in the oral care of unconscious patient, what it means that providing the care or cleaning of the teeth of unconscious patient, those who are unable to do this procedure by themselves. Able patient or conscious patient or semi-conscious patient, then they are able to do the procedure, they are able to clean their mouth by their own, but unconscious patient, we need to give them the special care. So now first of all, we are going to see the articles which are needed for oral care. So these are the articles we needed for the oral care. In that, face towel should be there, then one kidney tray for soil waste, whatever the come from the gauze soiled gauze piece we put here, then a pair of sterile gloves, then there will be a bowl containing gauze piece which will be sterile only, then this is the artery forceps, then tongue depressor. For universal precautions, mask is very necessary, then empty bowl and a bowl containing plain water, and emollient solution we can use for on applying on that tongue area. Okay, and this is the Listerine mouthwash solution that also we can use for cleansing of the mouth of the patient. Now we are going to start the procedure with the preparation of the environment, then preparation of the patient and preparation of session. In the preparation of environment, first of all we have to give adequate ventilation and proper light supply for the patient. Okay, then there will be, we have to inspect, it will come under, then second one is preparation of patient. In the preparation of patient, we have to give the position, that is the Fowler's position, and we have to keep that patient at our side, at one side of the bed, at a corner of the bed, that we can easily do all the procedure. Okay, then we have to spread the Macintosh over the chest, below the chin, on the chest of the patient. On that we have to give face towel also for any soil of for soiling of any bed sheet or whatever it is. Okay, then we have to start the procedure. Now as a nurse, we have to do this procedure with maintaining all the universal precautions. So for that we have to do hand washing first. Okay, after the hand washing and gloving should be done. After that we have to inspect the patient. We have to inspect the patient very carefully. We have to inspect the oral area of the patient, and the main objectives of this care is to provide salivation to the patient and also to relieve him from that contamination or any type of halitosis should be there. So we have to remove all the microorganisms which is present inside the mouth, that he is not able to perform the procedure. So we have to perform this in order to remove the microorganisms, or excessive salivation should be there. So we have to remove all these things. For this procedure, first of all, we have to maintain privacy of the patient. So this is the demonstration. So we are not maintaining the privacy, but we have to maintain the privacy in the hospital area. It is very necessary. Okay. Then what we have to do? It is a sterile instrument, as we all know. Then this is the artery forceps. In that, with the help of artery forceps, we have to keep this 2 by 2 centimeters of gauze piece, and we have to roll it like this, then clamp the artery like this, clamp the artery in this position, and after clamping that artery, that ask your attendant to make the patient comfortable. Ask the patient to come that side, or ask any attendant to do. And first of all, we have to go at chewing area. Wherever the patient is chewing the food or going with it, which is inside, which is more contaminated, we have to clean that in a one stroke only. Then we have to remove it and we have to discard it. Okay, this will be one. Then in second time, with the help of this plain water saline, which containing the Listerine solution, we have to dip this solution. After that, again we have to inside, and only one stroke will remove this gauze piece from his mouth, and after that we have to paste it in the kidney tray. don't use the same wash piece on other side. Always use the new wash piece for new cleaning of that area. After that, inner side of the mouth, we have to go to this side. Then lastly, we have to clean the whole area. We have to clean whole area with the help of this artery forceps from the upper teeth and the gum side. So it will protect the patient from coating of the tongue. There will be whenever the patient is of stroke or any other disease condition like diabetes mellitus or any other chronically ill patient which is bedridden from so many days, from months he is bedridden. So for that patient, coating of the tongue will come. So in order to prevent that coating, we have to provide mouth care to the patient. So after completing the mouth care, remove your gloves. Then we have to record, and reporting is must. Record and reporting is very important. For this, we have to write it down everything. Our name should be written over there. After that, then remove the face towel. Then we have to roll the Macintosh like this. If it is soiled, then it's sent to laundry department. After that, we have to discard the procedure, and this was all about the mouth cleaning. Thank you.